Zombie rules, guys. Look at what time these stocks start to move. It's just ridiculous. Wait for everybody to get in. Hey, Alex, you're in? Wait for everybody to get in here. I see you, Alex. All right. How you guys doing, man? Hope you guys had a good trading day. Let us know what you traded, man. How you guys doing? Thanks for joining us. We have a pretty special announcement. I am still looking over these stocks. Lots of opportunity today, guys. Lots of opportunity. The key is to remain patient as usual. To wait for your lines. It's better to miss a trade than it is to get in too early, right? Let me bring Alex on while I have it. Alex, you want to come on right now too? So we can go back and forth. Let me see how we do this.
Yo.
Hey, brother, what's up? What's up?
What's up, dude? Sorry I wasn't here earlier. I was actually watching some TikToks and I got stuck.
TikTok. Is it TikTok or fuck?
It's bro. This shit's it's so stupid, but it's so addicting, man. I can't stop watching this shit.
What's going on there?
I'm just watching people just doing dancing videos or just doing crazy dances all day.
Oh, man.
That's literally it. I can't stop, dude. It's hilarious.
Oh man, this is fucking funny, guys.
One of these girls went from having 0 followers to 20 million in 6 months. Isn't that fucking crazy? All she does is dance. 15-year-old girl.
15 years old. I was gonna
15
say
years old.
she's hot, but fuck, I'm not gonna go there.
No.
What the hell?
Can you believe that shit?
But she's a female. I don't see no 15-year-old guy doing that.
Yeah, definitely no 15-year-old guys getting that famous.
Oh man.
Are you still trading? What are you doing?
You slap me, bro.
Yeah, I see. When you start giggling, dude, that's when I know.
Well, I have like fast orders on the outer lines and some of these NVC. I got it like around the 940. You see that chart, man? It's fucking amazing.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now, bro. Do you see at 10:30 on the dot? It went straight up.
That's what I was waiting for. So I didn't go long because I'm not that good yet. But
Yeah.
I waited for the parabolic to go short. So you saw that. That was pretty cool. I nailed that thing at 942. 942, man.
Yeah, I see your fills right here. Shit.
That's sick. The high day is 946. So,
Wow.
so that's what we teach, man. Let me show the guys here. Let me show people here. Let me see.
Yeah, go for it.
Let me see if I can turn this shit around. Here we go. Hey guys, this is how I got the top tick on NNVC. So we always talk about outer lines. And so I pulled up a 5-day chart, and if you take a look, the first major resistance is this $9 line. It's actually over $9, right? It's probably $9.50 here, but there's always a fudge factor.
Yeah.
And so that's why I started to scale. Let me see. Let's take a look at this. So I hit a very little bit on 9 just to see, and then boom, it shot straight up. So that's what.
Yeah.
So the moment it started rejecting, I started to add, and that's basically confirmation. So I wait for the parabolic to move up, And then the moment it rejected this 950 line, it went back down. That's when I started to add on all the pops. That's why you see all here. And then boom, it's fucking fell down, dude. I covered all the way fucking down to low as 868.
Yeah, and the best part is, you know, that after 10:30 that you adjust your size and you drop it down. So that's something that people have to remember too.
Correct.
You know, you could still trade past 10:30. There's so much edge for longs to make money. It's just that if you are shorting, you just have to be more careful.
Yeah, each one of those boxes you see is 500 shares.
Yeah.
So I'm not going crazy, 1,000, 1,000. I mean, dude, this stock is crazy. You can get blown out big time. So
Yeah.
I located like a couple thousand shares, and I just did 500 shares each ad. And so, I mean, it was all right.
Yep.
Which leads me to what we're here today. So welcome, guys. I wanted to talk to you guys because this is not many people in the Western. Let me place one fantasy order first.
This motherfucker, dude. This motherfucker.
Hey, that's why I cannot be trusted. So tell them about this fucking shit. We have to fucking leave, man. That's the fucking problem, man. Oh
That's
my
the
god.
problem. And I know that it's so hard for people to understand, but the best analogy is that in the morning is when we have the most amount of edge, because there's less algos that are interfering with everything. There's more natural volume. So what happens is past 10:30, the volume shrinks, the algos take control, and everything just kind of goes crazy. So for us, for me, for you, what we realize is that past 10:30, our odds of making money are less. So what we do is we either slow it down or cut it off. For me, I cut it off completely, and that's what yields to all my gains, you know? Like today was a sick day, man. Today was...
Great job. Show them what you did, man. This is why I'm still training, because I think in my head, I'm like, fuck, man, Alex beat me. I'm like, I fucking squeeze some more fucking
Bro, that's the
gains
thing,
in.
though. We beat each other every day. You know, today was almost a 5,100 day, but we beat each other every day, man. That's the point. The point is that you and me, we have like a friendly competition, which makes us want to push harder, you know?
Yeah, so that's so keep that in mind, guys. Seeing other people's P&L is a double-edged sword. It's kind of motivating and inspirational, but at the same time, it's like, fuck, how could this be? So you have to be careful with yourself, that you don't push yourself just to be competitive. For me, I mean, I'm very happy for Alex's wins. I'm happy for the members' wins. I'm not a hater at all. It just kind of motivates me, and I'm just joking to you. I really don't care that.
Yeah, I know, bro. I know.
When I see opportunity, I'm like a shark. I smell fucking. I saw a parabolic move on NNVC, and I told myself I'm not gonna touch this shit until it reaches the outer lines. And that's what you saw. What you saw was not me like trying to get P&L to beat people. I'm just joking about that. It's me. Oh fuck, he just tanked. It's me.
Oh shit.
I looked at that. I was like, what the fuck, dude? I had an order at 927.
And it was 925 it hit.
Yeah, motherfucker, dude, 2 fucking cents off of the fucking top. Fucking believable. I had a scale at 927 and 937. It hit 925, dude. It take a fucking point. Okay, I'm fucking done with that stock.
Yeah, that's it. That's the reason to get out.
Yeah, so you saw how that works, man. Let's take a look at it again before it's like a freebie lesson for everybody. Fuck. Okay, so pull up the 5-day chart. You see the fucking crazy extreme. So if it had broke 950 is what I'm using as my stop, and that's the high of day. The high of day is 946. So if it had broke up, so if you take a look at this, man, I actually put a stop. So what I did on this order was this. I had 2 orders, 927 and 937 to short. Okay, so I'm basing off of the previous high, and it hit 925. Didn't hit, but what I did immediately after I put those 2 open live fantasy orders in was to put a stop loss. So I'm using a physical stop loss at 950. So it didn't hit there yet, right? So I had 927, 937, and the next order is a stop loss up here. So that is one thing that we've learned and we teaching. I'm an old dog. I use mental stops, but man, mental stops are still fucking too slow when you're talking about this NMVC shit. So I've actually started to use, you know, the only way to change, guys, is to be uncomfortable every day. Little bit by little bit, you'd be uncomfortable. That's the only way to fucking change. I hate fucking stopping at the top. I'm like, fuck, I don't want to stop at the top. But you know what, man? The moments that when I'm stopped out, at least I don't lose much money. But the moments I do not stop out, that's when I'm like, I wish I had stopped out. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather err on the side of caution and be safe. Because this sucker NNVC could have fucking ripped over 950, halted on a volatility halt, opened up at $11, and I'm fucking smoked.
Yeah. Like we say, bro, the hard stops are your seatbelt and your airbags. You could drive without it. You could trade without it. But if you get into an accident, you're dead. So you might as well have it to keep you safe.
So that's a trick that I use. So I'll tell you a couple of tricks before we start this announcement. The trick I use is I before the fancy order even hits, I already have my orders out, and I also have my stop loss out. You can also do a OCO, a conditional order if you want, but the way I did it, I stacked them up as a hard stop. So they filled me in, but if it fucking keep ripping up, I would exit right away. So then I don't have to, I can go take a piss. I don't give a fuck what's going on. So hard stops is a great way to save yourself. Hard stops can also be used to trigger, let's say a death the death line. So let's say the death line is at $2.50. So what I could do is I could put a fucking stop sell, even though I don't have an order, right? It's a short. So it's a stop sell maybe at 10 cents underneath the death line. Because sometimes there's a fudge factor. They try to sweep you, fake you the death line and come back up, right? So if it's close to the death line, I can put a stop sell below the death line by maybe 10, 12 cents, and it'll fucking hit me. So that's another way to fucking trigger that. So because a lot of times I turn around and I go, fuck, I missed the death line. Right? I mean, I fucking just like yesterday, man, on CODX. No?
It was like this, bro, like that.
Dude, that's what I was like. It's so fucking fast. So if I had to fucking put in, so I'm gonna start trying that now. I will start putting just some little orders and underneath the death line to see how that works. So that, because what happens is the theory behind the death line is that's the last major support. Anybody underneath the death line, it's underwater. All the longs are underwater, and so there's hardly any chance of being saved. Hardly any chance. So CODX, the death line was what, Alex? At 250?
250. And then it hit 209 1 second later or something like that.
Correct. You see what I'm saying? It never touched 250 again. So once you break, so the way you trade a death line is this. I would short, let's say 240, right? Because I put a stop, whatever it is. Then I put a hard stop at 851, just to fucking if we reclaim the death line, right? I would be out, and that's it. And I walk away. Okay, but anyways, let's go back to what we're talking about today. So, well, happy Lunar New Year. Other people call it Happy Chinese New Year. So I wanted to tell you guys this because, dude, Chinese New Year to me is in Asia, billions of people celebrate Chinese New Year. In my opinion, dude, people follow the horoscopes, people follow all that stuff, right? Either Sagittarius, but even older than astrology is this Chinese calendar. Okay, it's the lunar calendar. It's based off of the moon. So it's the year of the rat, guys. And so Google what year rat means. Okay, the reason we wanted to tell you this is, dude, I'm knocked on wood, but the year of rat is supposed to be very, very good for investing. Okay, it says so right there. You Google it. It's very good for a couple things. Finding love. Okay. I love the markets, so maybe you find love, find MIC, right? Find Alex and Val. Finding love, starting a new business for renewals, like if you want to fucking renewal something, but for us, dude, I read it right there. I just mind blown, for investing, starting a new business and for investing, but only, this is the caveat they have, but only if you carefully plan it. You can't just come and go, oh, I'm going to throw my fucking money into the stock and fucking I'm going to be rich because the fucking year of the rat says I'll be rich, right? No. And so this is why I want to show you. There's actually a website. I don't know if Alex, you pull up while I talk. That website it actually says it right there. It's very good year for investing only if you carefully plan it. Okay? If you carefully plan it. What a rat signal. In America, a rat is like a dirty little thing, right? Rodent. But what the Eastern, which is the Asian culture, they think of the rat as very smart. The rat is an extremely smart animal. He's very quick-witted and very intelligent. So the story of a rat is they're doing a race, and the rat can't swim across the water, so he got onto the water buffalo. So the water buffalo would carry the rat over the water. And then at the very end, the rat jumped over the water buffalo's head and finished and won the race, So he's a very devious guy. So read what it says right there, Alex, about the fucking rat and investing.
Sure. So The way it works is, give me a second. So those who plan to buy real estate or start a business or invest money long term have great chances of being satisfied in the future. But beware, these types of initiatives will only be successful if they are carefully planned. It's exactly what you said.
Correct. So I told Alex this. I mean, it was like, dude, we don't do these sales much, but I wanted to do a something creative, man. Some Chinese New Year sale. So tell us what we're launching, Alex, because Alex knows a lot more about this than I do.
So what we did last time is when we had like a discount in Christmas, it was kind of like the final push that some people needed to sign up. It was kind of like the last thing that they needed to see before they just needed some confirmation. So we're kind of doing something similar this time around. What we're gonna do is the price of our annual membership is $17.90. What we're gonna do is we're gonna discount it $200 to $15.90, and the price of our lifetime is gonna be discounted by $1,000. So this is only going to be a sale for like a limited time only. We're only opening it up to 15 people. So it's going to be the first 15 people only. What I'll do is I'll post a link in the description of this video, because I think if I post it into the Instagram, I'm not sure if people could kind of click on it. But
we'll tweet it and we'll post it. Okay. So basically we're having a super sale on that. But I'm going to give you a sneak peek, because I just talked to Alex last night, okay, about this new DVD we're creating. You just want to give them like a teaser, because this is going to be fucking great for the annual guys.
Yeah, so what we're working on is right now, if you guys don't already know, we have around 4 free trading DVDs with almost 700 member only videos. We have 500 free videos on YouTube. But you know what we decided to do is there's so many people that kind of come in and just want to get the action quick. They don't really want to watch every single video. They want to get maybe like a accelerated way to kind of finish everything. So
it's like a training for dummies, how to get started really quickly. Like how do you go from nothing to placing your very first trade?
Yeah, so this is going to be a new DVD series that we're going to have. This is going to be free for annual members. It's
limited time.
Yeah, so the way it's going to be structured is annual members are going to get it for free for a limited time, and then after that we're going to have to charge for it. But the way that we're going to kind of structure it is that this new educational DVD is going to be your way to get from not knowing anything about stocks, not knowing anything about the market, not knowing anything about trading, to placing your first trade in less than 6 hours. So this is going to be a 6-hour course that gives you an accelerated program between terms, definitions, lines, level 2, orders, stops, process, chart examples, sector plays, everything. So this is going to be available sometime in February for annual members for free. This is not available for monthly members, and after February, we're going to be charging for this.
Because of this, man. We have already a trading basics series with Joe Kelly that he's super great.
We have about 60 episodes in that as well.
But the problem is, like, I realize that people are even more stupid than I thought. I mean, no offense to you stupid people. No, I'm joking. I mean, there's people that I'm just joking about the stupid part, but there's people that actually know a lot less or even more lazy than I thought, okay?
Yeah.
Because, I mean, there's a reason why people like the get-rich scheme guys, where, oh, just give me a stock pick. I'm going to get rich overnight, and I don't care if I go bankrupt, right? But then when they go bankrupt, they go, oh, fuck, I wish I could learn. Then they start learning. So we wanted to create a series where you watch the video, it's in order, and you can go from not knowing anything about stocks to actually putting a live trade out.
Yep.
So it's like a trading for dummies series. I hate using that word dummy because no one's a dummy, but you know what I'm saying? It's like a turbo accelerator program where if you know nothing, because right now a lot of problem is a lot of people come and join and they go, oh shit, I don't even know what a stop is. I don't even know what a buy is. I don't know what a bid is. You know, very simple things. So we'll cover the terms all the way till you actually place a trade. So this is super. A lot of people do not focus on beginning traders. And that's a big market that I think that people leave out. So the guys that are starting out, they get suckered into the furus. But we wanted to teach them right from the start, proper way to trade before you even get suckered by these furu guys.
Yep.
And so Alex created this free series with Joe Kelly. And And we're working right now. It's a big venture, man. It's gonna be what, 6 hours? I don't know how many hours that.
It's gonna be 6 hours, yeah. So Joe is still working on it. I'm looking at it. We're trying to kind of adjust it, but literally it's gonna be everything from not knowing what a stock is or anything to guiding you hand by hand to placing your first trade.
Yeah, we already have a bunch of videos on how to trade, but they are, to me, because I've been trading for a long time, so sometimes I forget how like it was when I started, like limited knowledge. Like when I talk things like, oh, someone's it's selling on the offer, but they were like, what's an offer? What's a bid? You know, so now we dummy it down to the point where it's going to be awesome in the sense of, if you don't have to know anything about stocks, after you watch this video and you watch it a couple of times, you can actually go from not knowing anything to placing your first trade. And so someone said, they thought that MIC is not in the sales model. I mean, dude, I don't know what that means, but we are creating this to give to free for annual members. So all the annual members currently that are enrolled with MIC will get it. And then when we launch this, we're going to give them 1 month to join MIC to get it for free. Because, you know, I realized this, Alex. I realized that, fuck, man, anything free, people don't value. You know how many videos we fucking give away for free and no one watches that shit?
520 free videos on YouTube, bro. 520.
And what happens is the moment we start charging for DVD, oh, I want it. I'm like, dude, it's like no one values fucking free shit. So we created this thing, this DVD for beginners, okay? And we're going to give it to free for the annual guys. But we're going to have to start charging just for people that are not joining. I mean, you know, we can't give away everything for free forever. No one's going to value this. So that's the reason why we are doing this, guys.
Yep. So it should be fun, man. I'm excited to see, because like after that video, that's going to give you everything that you need. And then if you want more, you have access to almost 700 videos of every single topic that you're looking for. So let's say you're struggling with level 2, you could go into the search box in the videos, write level 2, and that way you already have your foundation. You could go above it.
I thought Alex said, yeah, if you join as an annual member, you can be joining for $179, pay that $179, download all our shit, and fucking leave. I'm starting to see people do that. It's just unfortunate. Yeah. So anybody that just wants free shit, it's like, dude, we have a lot of free videos on YouTube. Did you watch them? Yeah. So it's kind of like people don't value free stuff, man. And so if we price things, I mean, we're not going to rape people out of it, obviously. We're giving it part of the – if you join as an annual member, you get all this stuff, guys. It's not like we're fucking charging you anything else. Inner circle, this is nothing like an inner circle, dude. This is fucking no inner jerk circle fuck shit. Basically,
also, we were talking about it for a while,
is tell about the annual price. It's not an upcharge, guys. It's actually a discount. Annual is actually a discounted. This inner circle stuff that people are charging you for like $7,000 fucking dollars. I mean, I've seen people are coming to us and saying, I paid $7,000 for this program last year. I'm like, what the fuck? I think we're fucking too cheap. That's why people keep fucking hounding us for more free shit.
Yeah, man.
Seriously, who's giving this shit for fucking free like this? The only people giving you free shit is the fucking people that don't know what the fuck they're doing. The guys that are half-ass know what they're doing. They're fucking marketing. All they do is market. Now they're selling this shit for $7,000 for 1 year.
It's crazy, bro. It's crazy.
$7,000.
It's crazy. But yeah, dude, the annual is discounted. So the monthly is $179 a month. And if you do the annual, it turns to $132 a month. So you're saving a bunch of money if you go annual. So the last thing that I want to talk about is we've been talking about it for, I think, like 4 months now. But in exactly 1 week, we are officially raising our prices. So the price of monthly is going to go from $179 to $197. The price of annual is going to go from $17.90 to $18.90. And the price of lifetime is going to stay the same. So if you join before the week ends or before 7 days, you are going to be grandfathered into your same price forever. So for those of you guys that are in MIC right now in this Instagram Live, what do you guys think about it? What do you guys like? What do you guys dislike? What can we do to improve? Because at the end of the day, our goal of MIC is making it interactive and making it helpful for everyone. So we're always open to getting feedback.
Who is this William guy? If you don't like it, don't have to join, man. I mean, shit. Life is simple, guys. We're not forcing anybody to join anything they don't want to fucking join. And so we're giving away a fucking free DVD for annual members, and some guys are still complaining.
In addition to the 4 that we already have.
We're giving free shit. People still complain. I mean, you don't have to join, guys. Seriously, I'm not forcing anybody to join. You expect us to do shit for free forever? I mean, I don't know what to say, guys. If you can't
If it's
afford,
free,
if
people
you
don't
can
watch it,
afford
dude. They don't
$5 a
watch it.
day, it's not worth it to you. Okay, if you cannot afford $5 a day to learn this, it's not worth it to you.
Yeah, it's true.
So I mean, that's the thing. I see people quitting, and then they're like, oh, I can't afford it, and then I see them at the fucking club. They're posting fucking Instagram photos the next day of them going out, fucking making it rain, throwing $1 bills at the fucking clubs. I'm like, are you fucking kidding me, man? So basically, the reason why I usually want to do shit for free, guys. I've been teaching for free on trading fish for fucking a decade. I've been teaching people shit for free. When we started, we were making everything fucking free. But you know what I realized? People don't value free. They don't want to fucking want to learn. They don't even watch the fucking videos we put out. And so it's kind of like, it's just the mentality of like when things are free, people don't value it. And so certain things we price at a value to make you realize that, you know what, you have to put skin in the game. Okay? If you cannot afford $180, how the fuck can you trade? Seriously, if you don't have $5 a day, maybe take that $5 and use it to buy your family food and to get a job and save the money to the point where you can afford it. This trading is a marathon, guys. It's not a get rich scheme. That's the reason why we're doing what we're doing. People realize that, hey man, this takes work. And if you're not gonna put in the work, guys, I'm sorry, I don't know what to say. It's like free is not gonna get you in the game anyways. Free is not gonna free and $180 is not gonna fucking be a big difference, okay? If you're not gonna participate and want to learn.
It's true, man. It's true. The price of the annual is literally, I think it's $4 a day if you go annual. So if you cannot afford getting rid of your one coffee a day to be able to buy the Starbucks in the future, it doesn't make sense, and this is not for you.
Yeah, so I mean, it's kind of tough love when I say this kind of stuff, because like a lot of people just like, oh, I thought this was free, but I'm like, did you even watch the free videos? Why are you complaining about this video?
Yeah.
So, and once again, guys, whatever we do, we're always going to give it free for the guys that are in, because we know we always take care of our people. Okay, they've been with us for a long time. So, but then there reaches a point where it can't be free for the next for a lifetime, for the eternity, right? So now when we're gonna, I didn't want to talk about this. I think Alex was like, "What the fuck are you bringing up?" But I was so excited. About this thing, because I truly believe that 2020, guys, is our year. Okay, guys, it's our fucking year. It's the year that, I hate this fucking rat shit, but because I'm American, but I'm also Asian. But then when I'm reading more about the rat has to be smart for a reason. He's tiny. He's small. He's not like a giant ass water buffalo, right? And so he has to use wit. And so we can relate as the marginalized underdog that we are the rat in society, man. We are the fucking rat. What do we need to do to get ahead in life? I don't want to scam anybody, but you have to be cunning. So that's what I'm saying. So we have to do learning on our own, and just kind of keep quiet as a mouse, as I say, right?
That's it, bro. That's it.
That's it. Anybody have any questions, guys? We are gonna do more meetups soon. I'm waiting. We're gonna do a lot more meetups. So we've been working.
I have a question. I'm gonna ask everyone a question. What is stopping you from joining MIC? What can we do better to get you in the door and believe what we're doing is working? I mean, we post testimonials of our members every day. We post our P&Ls, our charts every day. What else do you guys need to see? What else can we be doing for you guys? What's up, Harry?
What would you like to see in the future? So we have a pipeline of things that we are developing, such as this beginning series of how to get started. I want to also do an advanced short selling DVD. What else would you guys like to see, so that we can kind of schedule this in the pipeline? What is stopping everybody from joining, besides the price, obviously?
Someone said, I've been in multiple paid chat rooms and services in the past 3 or 4 years, and hands down, MIC is the best by far. Daily calls, real-time thought process, bound outs, along with so much free content. Yeah, man, I'm happy you're happy.
Yeah, that's the thing. The guys are putting in work, love it. The guys that expect to get rich the moment they join, I mean, dude, I don't know what to tell you. That's why they always end up joining the cheaper rooms that are pumped by guys on microphones because they're thinking they're going to fucking chase and make money. And I guarantee you, they always come back to us. They always come back. So many guys are like, fuck, man, I wish I didn't join that shit. I lost all my fucking money. Or, oh, I joined this other guy because he seems so smart. He has all these fucking spreadsheets and shit, and he's charging me $7,000 to fucking, but I didn't learn shit. He's teaching me these patterns that don't fucking come up. They come up maybe once a year, and when they came up, I missed them. And so what we do is this, man. The reason why MIC is unique is we are real traders. I've been fucking sitting here for 20 fucking years, guys, grinding the fuck away. I am not sitting here fucking trying to make 2 giant-ass trades a month, okay? I don't have that liberty. I have to fucking feed myself, feed my family for the past 20 years. So every day, this is my job. I am fucking have to come in and make fucking money. Okay, now I'm lucky in the position now where I don't have to trade every day. But imagine when you started, you can't just have the liberty of sitting around waiting for fucking 2 setups a month. And then if you miss that setup and you take a piss, you're fucking done for the month, right, guys? And so the way I teach, the way we teach is very realistic of how a fucking normal day trader does it. This is the unique part of MIC and no one ever does. Okay, I'm a real trader. Alex is a real trader. We fucking sit here every fucking day grinding the fuck away. Okay, I'm not arrogant to the point where I'm going to leave $100. Now, $100, I'll fucking take that shit all fucking day. So that mentality matches up with the average person that's learning. Versus like I'm trying to teach a millionaire how to fucking trade. He doesn't give a fuck about $200. But you know what? Most of you, I guarantee you, would fucking love an extra $200 a day in income. And so that's why the difference between MIC and everybody else, guys, is the fact that we are real fucking traders. We're sitting here every fucking day trading for real. Not just fucking doing this shit to sell these subs, okay? I want everybody to fucking learn. I want everybody to have financial independence. I want everybody not to get scammed by these other gurus.
Yeah, man. Love it. Also, someone asked, do you guys have an options series? One of our members, AK Wildlife, created an options basic series. So we have about 9 one-hour videos giving you a deep dive into options as well, all for free.
We gotta stop. Okay, so we had a comment about the secretary posting meaningless content. So we can kind of reduce some of the stuff that posts. It's actually a script that that posts a lot of the my rules on the Trading Fish. So we can talk about that.
Yep.
Entries, charts, what should be posted in chart recap because it really clogs up the chat. IU, this guy's talking about IU. See, that's the thing, man. IU, other places, everybody has a different niche. If you're an advanced trader and stuff, go there. They fucking get raped by them. They're fucking buying shit behind the scenes. I'm not saying anything about anybody else, but my point, everybody has a niche. If you complain about, everybody has a different thing. So, I'm not bashing anybody. Everybody does things differently. The way we do things is this, man. I'm not here to fucking feed you alerts. I want you to fucking learn. Okay, I want you to fucking learn. If you want to fucking get fed alerts, go somewhere else. I'm not in that business of feeding alerts. We show our watch list, and our watch list is what we trade. Now, that's the honest truth. Okay, Alex in the morning posts his watch list every morning with the price that he's about to enter, and those are the prices he does. He's giving you ahead of time, over a half an hour to 1 hour before the market opens, his game plan.
Yep,
He's
I'll
not
show
making
you one is.
Yep, show it, man. He's not making shit on the fly, man.
Also, the one today was a free video watch list for everyone. So everyone had access to this today. This was the best trade of the day, TNXP, looking for a morning push near 190 or 2 to short. TNXP, we got 198. And if I could pull up my fills somewhere, give me a second. I should have a 198 short somewhere. Right there.
We basically show you exactly what we trade before we even fucking trade it. There's no collusion. There's no fucking secret private messages between people fucking trying to load shit up and pumping. So if you think people or other places are real chat room, be my guest. It's completely fine. I don't, we are not here to fucking spoon feed you plays. The last thing I need is a bunch of people to come and start pumping their own book. I hate that shit. I hate fucking people pumping and selling into the alerts, okay? And that's why we don't fucking alert. And that's why we are the most unique community out there. We are not, no one's pumping their book. No one's loading up a low float and fucking trying to pump it to 800 people. That's the thing people don't fucking understand. Good luck trying to make money in a room full of sharks, guys. You will get fucking eaten. Okay? I can fucking do it all day too. I'll eat all you motherfuckers. I'll eat that room too. But you know, that's not the point. The point is for you to learn. I make my money without having to alert anybody. That's the difference. A lot of these other people have to alert to make money. I can fucking not alert and still make a shitload. And that's what we prove every fucking day. Okay? I make my trades. People don't even know if I'm in the trade until I'm done. Then I post it for education. And so that's the way you fucking learn. In my opinion, that's the proper way to do it. Okay? If you want a pump and dump room, that's not MIC, guys. Seriously. And that was the whole thing that we made sure the culture and the people knew. So that's why we are not as big as we can be. My God, dude, imagine we pump fucking plays. This room would be double in size. I mean, if I fucking screamed out why I fucking trade, people would be fucking joining just to copy my shit. And that's not the intent. The intent is not for me to fucking make money off of pumping my own fucking plays.
That's it.
That's it, guys.
All right, guys. All right, I'll post the link to everything in the description of the video.
Thanks, guys.
Later, Bao. Have a good one.
Thanks, guys. Have a good one, guys.